guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So today we are going to do a very interesting word problem on fractions. Let's start with reading the question first. Leona, Gina and Kelly shared a box of marbles. Leona took 2 by 7 of the marbles. Gina took 3 by 8 of the remaining marbles. Kelly took 14 fewer marbles than Gina. In the end, there were 54 marbles left in the box. How many marbles did the three girls take altogether? So what we have here is that there are three girls, Leona, Gina and Kelly, right, who are sharing a box of marbles. Leona took 2 by 7 of the marbles. So out of all the marbles, Leona took 2 by 7, right? And then after that, whatever was remaining, out of the remaining number of marbles, once Leona has taken 2 by 7, Gina took 3 by 8 of it. Okay, and then Kelly took 14 fewer marbles than Gina. In the end, there were only 54 marbles left in the box. So our job is to find how many marbles did the three girls take altogether. Okay, so these kind of questions can easily be solved by branching method. So we'll be using branching method here. So let's start, right? So let's say total here, total represents the total number of marbles in the box. So we can say, in short, we will be writing T for total. So out of these total marbles, right, Leona has taken 2 by 7 of the marbles, right? So we will draw a branch coming from total because she has taken 2 by 7 of the total, right? She has taken 2 by 7 of the total, right? So it is taken by Leona, right? It's taken by Leona. Now, if Leona has taken 2 by 7 of the total, how much is left? How much is remaining? So 1 minus 2 by 7 will give you how much? It will give you 5 by 7, right? So 5 by 7. So this we can say that, okay, this is the remaining number, right? This is the remaining number of marble. So this is remaining. Let's in short we will call it R. Okay, now out of these remaining number of marbles, right, Gina has taken 3 by 8 of it, right? So from this, so here no more branching. Here from the remaining one, right, we will start a new branch saying that, okay, because Gina has taken 3 by 8 of the remaining number of marbles, right? So this is 3 by 8 of remaining, right, which is taken by Gina. Then how about Kelly? Kelly has taken 14 fewer marbles than Gina. We don't know how much Kelly has taken, what fraction she has taken, but there is a relationship in the marbles taken by Kelly and Gina. We know that Gina has taken 3 by 8 of remaining, and we also know that Kelly has taken 14 fewer than Gina. That means from here we can say that, okay, Gina has taken 3 by 8, right? So Kelly has taken 3 by 8 of the remainder minus 14, right? Because she has taken 14 less than Gina, and Gina has taken 3 by 8 of remainder. So obviously Kelly has taken 3 of 8 by of remainder minus 14, right? So that's taken by Kelly, right? So we can also show this in the form of, model if you want to understand it better, right? This is for better understanding. So let's say this is the remaining number of marbles. This is not the total number of marbles. This one is only the remaining number of marbles. Okay, so let's say out of this remaining, right, 3 by 8 is taken by Gina, and then another 3 by 8 minus 14 is taken by Kelly. So if for the start, okay, it doesn't look equal. Let's say this is 3 by 8, this is another 3 by 8, and this is 2 by 8. Okay, so for the whole thing, right, let's divide it like this. So this part is, let's say, 3 by 8. Okay, this is taken by Gina, right? Now this is another 3 by 8 of the remainder, and then obviously this will be 2 by 8 because in total it has to be 8 by 8, right, which is the remainder, right? So 3 plus 3 plus 2 will give you 8, right? Now how much Kelly has taken? So Kelly has taken 14 less than Gina. Gina has taken 3 by 8. That means from this another 3 by 8, she has not taken the full. She has taken 14 less than Gina. So this amount, you can say this much is taken by Kelly. Right? This much is taken by Kelly. And how much is this? How much is this? In terms of fraction, it's 3 by 8 minus 14. It's not full. See, this whole thing is 3 by 8. But she has taken 14 less than 3 by 8. Right? Now, what do you think? How much will be this? How much will be this? Any guesses? So this will be, you can see here, right, from here to here it's 2 by 8, right? This is 2 by 8 and then another 14, right? This is another 14. So this should be 2 by 8 plus 14, right? This is 2 by 8 plus 14, and actually this is the left number of marbles. This is what is left. Okay, this is what is left, because obviously from the remaining number, right, 3 by 8 is taken by Gina, then 3 by 8 minus 14 is taken by Kelly. Obviously, what is left? The left amount will be 2 by 8 of remainder plus 14. Plus 14. This is the left amount. Basically, left number of marbles in the box. Right? So, what else we have? So, from the question, see, in the end, there were 54 marbles left in the box, right? 54 marbles. And from here, we can see, from here also, we get that, okay, the left number of marbles is 2 by 8 of remainder plus another 14. Right? So, since the left number of marbles is 54, right? So, from here, we can write it as, okay, 2 by 8 of remainder plus another 14 is equal to what? Is equal to 54. Right? This one we can simplify as what? 1 by 4. 2 by the equivalent fraction of 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. Just divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Right? So you will get 1 by 4. Right? So here this one we can write it as 1 by 4 of remainder plus another 14 is equal to 54. Now we have to get rid of this 14 from the left hand side, right? So how can we do that? Just add minus 14 on both sides. So just look at it, how I'm doing it. So just add another 14 on both the sides, right? So this will give you what? This minus 14 will cancel out this plus 14, right? So just cancel them out. And this will give you 1 by 4 of remainder is equal to 54 minus 14, right? That will give you 40, right? So how much will be the remainder? So the remainder will be obviously 40 times 4. That will give you 160. That means the number of remaining marbles, right, after Leona has taken were 160. Right? There were 160 marbles left after Leona has taken 2 by 7 from the total. Right? And now since we know that the remaining number of marbles is actually equal to 5 by 7 of the total. So from here we can say 5 by 7 of the total is equal to 160. Right? So how much will be 1 by 7 of the total? It will be, just divide both the sides by 5, right? Just divide both the sides by 5. You will get 160 here, this side 160 divided by 5. You will get 32, right? 32. Then if 1 by 7 of total is 32, how much will be 7 by 7 of the total? It will be 32 times 7, right? Just multiply both the side by 7. That will give you, the total will be 224. That means 224, right? So the total number of marbles in the box at first were 224 marbles. Okay, now let's read the question. How many marbles did the three girls take all together? Right, so see, we know what was the total number of marbles, and we also know that the number of marbles left at the end were 54, right? The number of marbles left at the end was 54. So from this, if from the total number of marbles, if we just subtract the total number of marbles left, that will be the number of marbles taken by the three girls, right? Taken from the by the three girls. So let's do that. So we can say that the number of marbles, okay, taken by girls, right, by three girls will be 224 minus the left number of marbles, which is 54. So 224 minus 54 will give you 170. Okay, 170. So the answer for our question is the marbles the three girls have taken all together is 170 marbles, right? So that's our solution. I hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.